Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI. And if you're trying to decorate for a new party or having guests over for any special occasion, a simple way is getting new wine glasses. These vintage wine glasses are so cool because they are very unique. It is that gobbler style, so it's a little bit bigger on the top, but it's so detailed. What's really cool about these wine glasses is that they're unique. So they're not going to be your traditional wine glasses. It's going to add more character, but it's also going to give an elegance to any table. It has all of these very intricate and cool details all around the wine glass, the stem, all the way to the bottom. It holds 10 ounces, which is a good amount of wanting to drink anything. Also, the lip of the cup is very sturdy and comfortable to drink out of. This color is classified as purple. I'd say it's more of a champagne purple. It's a very light champagne, so it's a pinky purple, but it's also that steamed, so it's see-through and it gives it that subtle, elegant color. Before your next dinner party, make sure to get the 6-piece vintage gobbler wine glass set. It's really going to elevate and classy up your next dinner party, and that's my point of view.